Embark on a captivating culinary journey as we unveil a collection of distinctive street delicacies that redefine the notion of street food. Our menu is a tribute to the creative spirit of street vendors who have transformed simple ingredients into extraordinary edible art. Distinctive Street Delicacies brings together an eclectic mix of flavors, textures, and cultural influences that are a testament to the global diversity of street food. From bustling Asian night markets to the charming corners of European streets, our menu reflects the kaleidoscope of culinary traditions that have shaped these unique creations. Indulge in the unexpected as you savor each bite of our innovative street eats. Experience the harmonious fusion of tradition and innovation as familiar ingredients are reimagined in astonishing ways. From savory to sweet, our menu traverses the culinary spectrum, leaving no taste bud untouched. Picture yourself in the heart of a bustling street market, surrounded by the tantalizing aromas of sizzling grills, simmering pots, and fragrant spices. The atmosphere is alive with the energy of exploration as you navigate through stalls that offer everything from local classics with a twist to international favorites infused with regional flair. Our commitment to uniqueness extends beyond taste. It's about celebrating the stories behind each dish. Every creation is a labor of love, a manifestation of the vendor's passion and creativity. As you relish these distinctive street delicacies, you're not just indulging in a meal, you're connecting with the narratives that have shaped culinary traditions around the world. Join us as we explore the world's vibrant streets through a gastronomic lens, one unique dish at a time. Let the unexpected combinations, bold flavors, and cultural influences awaken your senses and open your palate to the infinite possibilities that street food has to offer. Distinctive Street Delicacies is an invitation to savor the extraordinary in the ordinary, to celebrate the artistry of street vendors, and to discover the hidden gems that await in every corner of the world's bustling thoroughfares. Step into a world where culinary creativity knows no bounds. Distinctive Street Delicacies is not just a menu, it's an expedition into the realm of unconventional flavors and boundary-pushing cuisine. Imagine the thrill of discovering flavors that challenge your taste buds in the most delightful ways. Our unique street eats are a symphony of unexpected pairings, taking you on a gastronomic adventure that defies tradition and embraces innovation. From surprising ingredient combinations to inventive cooking techniques, every dish is a testament to the artistry of chefs who dare to think outside the culinary box. As you explore the diverse range of distinctive street delicacies, you'll find that each dish is a reflection of the locale it represents. From the fiery spices of Asian street fare to the comfortingly nostalgic flavors of Western favorites, our menu is a celebration of global tastes united by their uniqueness. Picture yourself wandering through a labyrinth of food stalls, each one offering a culinary gem waiting to be uncovered. The air is electric with the hum of excitement as fellow food enthusiasts join you in this Epicurean adventure. The mere aroma of these distinctive delicacies is enough to transport you to far-off places, awakening your wanderlust through the senses. But distinctive street delicacies isn't just about the food itself. It's about the stories that accompany each dish. It's about the vendors who pour their heart and soul into crafting these edible works of art. It's about the cultural heritage and regional influences that shape the way flavors meld and dance on your palate. Our commitment to serving up the unexpected extends to the atmosphere as well. Our dining space evokes the energy and ambiance of bustling street markets, complete with the sounds of sizzling pans and laughter echoing through the air. It's a tribute to the communal spirit that defines street food culture around the world. So dare to step outside your culinary comfort zone and embrace the extraordinary. Distinctive Street Delicacies invites you to celebrate the unconventional, to revel in the uncharted territory of flavors, and to savor the thrill of tasting the unexpected. Join us as we redefine street food and elevate it to an art form that challenges conventions and ignites your sense of culinary curiosity.